Hey, it's Aaron with Validator AI. Today, I want to talk about generating and coming up with new startup ideas. We all want to come up with a new killer idea, but our data has shown that people are doing it from the exact opposite way. People are starting with a hot trend or tacking on AI for X, or even, wouldn't it be cool if something existed? And they're not using the one thing to their advantage, which is their own lived experience. Your own personal knowledge and experience is your secret sauce. You're wondering how everybody else comes up with these amazing startups that they just run with and take off. It's because they've built a network in that industry. They know it front and back. They know the customers. It kind of goes along with our video from yesterday about knowing your customers, which is here. I'm just kidding. I don't know how to do that little box. You can find it if you go. Anyway, today's chart of the day: early misalignment indicators. From the last 30 days of data, these are the indicators and red flags found in the founder ideas of when we flag them as having a problem. Look at the top two. Distribution is unclear and the customer is unclear. This is all a customer problem. You don't know who the customer is very well, so you don't know distribution. You don't know how to get this out there. You don't know how to find them. You're not starting from your specific advantage, which is your own lived experience and knowledge. So check this out. So we made a business idea generator, and most generators fail because they start with your idea, not the customer. And we start with problems and your advantages. So I don't want to spoil it, but this is super simple. You select an industry, you select a problem you want to solve, and this is the key right here: your resources and edge. So your skills, expertise, your connections. Do you know people? And then who needs a solution? You click generate 10 business ideas. I don't want to spoil it. It's awesome. In 5 seconds, it will come up with 10 ideas and score them with our scoring system. And you can validate one and continue on with those ideas. But this is the point. When you're coming up with a new startup idea, you have to go with your resources and your edge and your lived experience. It's the only thing that's unique to you. And then you know where the customers hang out. You know what they want. You know distribution. It's not going to be a problem. Our number one indicator of a failed idea is distribution is unclear. This solves that. Your idea might need tweaking. That's what this generator is for. But you'll know the problem, the customer, and your secret advantage, and then you can go from there. I hope this is helpful. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon.